have another experiment for you. Today, we're going to take air and turn it into a solid. So I'll show you what we need for the materials. It'll take a little while for this to happen. You'll want to have 1 or 2 days to observe. So for this experiment, you need a bowl of water. I just have about 1 inch of water in there. A jar, a small glass jar, and some steel wool. Get the steel wool a little bit wet and then put it into the jar and smash it down. The jar over into the bowl of water. The air in the jar pushes the water out of the jar. So there's no water in the jar right now. And I put a couple of drops of food coloring in so it'd be easier to see. And now you just watch. It'll take maybe a day or 2. So can you believe it? We've made a solid out of a gas. The iron in the steel wool took the oxygen in the air and turned it into rust. This is called oxidation or combustion. But of course, this combustion just made a little bit of heat, not very much. There's lots of ways that in our world we take air and turn it into something solid. And if you look outside, you can see some big, tall things that do that all the time. They take air and make it into leaves and wood. What are they?